So in today's class, I'm going to show you how to blow up your bank account in 5 steps, right? I'm going to give you the game, right? Just like I give you the game of credit, I'm going to give you the game on how to make money step by step by step. You know me, I got you how to stand up for this because I'm very, very excited about this one. But I just have one quick question before I get into the 5 steps, all right? Just have one quick question. Are you looking to start a business, or do you have a pre-existing business? What you have going on? Are you looking to quit your job and start your business full time? Just let me know in the comments. I know we family around here. Just let me know what's going on, what you got going on, because I just really want to know how I can help you, how can I assist you, and how can I give you this game on how to make some money, right? I know I give you the game on credit, but most importantly, I know everybody wants to make more money. More money, I know it's gonna have more problems, but it also gives you more choices as well. So just let me know. Step number 1, in order to blow up your bank account, in order to make money every single day, there are specific questions people are asking, and you're gonna be able to answer because you're the expert. You have the expertise on that specific question that people are asking. What I mean by people are asking these questions, whether you're teaching people how to lose weight, or if you're teaching people how to do their taxes, if you're teaching people how to fix their credit, if you're teaching people how to do their hair, if you're teaching people how to do their makeup, if you're teaching people how to fix their car, if you're teaching people how to get their problem solved when you're tutoring them, right? If you're teaching people how to do math, no matter what it looks like, if you're teaching people how to fry that good chicken, right? Woo-hoo. If you're teaching people how to bake, there are questions people are asking. You're going to be able to answer them because you have the expertise in that specific problem. Now, all you have to do is go to Answer the Public and type up whatever, right? Let's say you're in fitness and you put fitness in, and there's going to be specific questions related to fitness. So people might ask, how can I lose weight in the next 30 days? And guess what? You're going to be able to answer that question because you know how to lose weight in the next 30 days. Whether that's 10 pounds, 5 pounds, or 20 pounds, whatever that looks like, you're going to be able to answer that problem because you know the answer. You've been through that problem, you've been through that struggle, so you're going to be able to provide value. That's step number 2, providing value to the marketplace. Now, once you find that question, whatever it is, you're going to be able to provide value. I challenge you to provide value on whatever that question is, because once you provide value and answer that question, that person that you answer the question for, they're going to love you forever. What I mean by that is, it's happening right now. I answer people's questions, I give them value, I give them a result, and guess what? They're like, thank you, Dave, I appreciate it. Same thing can work for you, right? And not just me, it can work for you as well. So once you start providing value to the marketplace and giving people the game on what they need help with, they're gonna love you. So that's step number 2. Now, find questions and provide value, whether that's a minute video, that's 2-minute video, that's the 3-minute video, 4, whatever it looks like. Answer people's question, give them a result, and they're gonna love you forever, right? Also, you gotta pick a platform to actually post these videos on. So whether that's Facebook, Facebook Reels is popping, Instagram Reels is popping, right? YouTube Shorts, YouTube, blogging, it don't matter, right? Pick a specific platform, find specific questions that you know the answer to, and start posting. Once you start posting content, right, and provide value, you gotta be consistent with this, right? You gotta be consistent. Now, you might, mess up every now and then, but what you need to be doing is posting you know how to post every single day, but find a consistent schedule based around your job, because I know everybody's working, everybody got things going on, but you gotta find a consistent posting schedule and be able to post content. Now, once you have this content, you're probably like, how can I make this content? Where can I go to make this content? All you need is a phone and one app, right? I use my phone, my iPhone, and I use one app to edit all my content. I know it sounds crazy, and I just have a ring light, right? No expensive camera, none of that, right? I just use my phone, continue. Y'all, I don't know if y'all ever saw my first video. It was horrible. It was trash. It was, yo, I'm embarrassed. Go back to and watch my first video, right? Some of y'all like, I'm shy. I don't want to. Nah, people are asking these questions. People are having problems, right? So go ahead and make those videos. Go ahead and create that content. All right, it's going to take you 5, 10, 20 times. Yo, if I show you how many times I make videos over and over and over, yes, you're gonna mess up. It's okay. The information is more important than you messing up, because people are having problems and they need help, and you're going to be that person to help them. And this is how you're going to make money. I know you might be scared, but guess what? Money on they're like when you go through that breakthrough and you'll be able to make those videos and that content, trust me, people are going to love you. Oh, you're going to be glad that you did it. So create that content, create that posting schedule, pick a platform, be consistent on it. Now, here's the next step, right? The next step you're going to be doing is giving something away for free. What I mean by that is you got to give something away for free in order to collect information, right? We call it a landing page where people can put their information in and you'll be able to send them something or send that free gift or whatever result they're looking for. So for me, when it comes to credit, I give away the free secret letter, right? The letter that sets the credit bureaus up to then, knock them out, right? So you're going to be able to have the same thing. So let's say you're in the fitness niche, right? Give away, let's say 5 foods to stay away from when you're working out. Create that PDF. Now you can go to Fiverr, you can go to Canva. I mean, you can create it on Canva, or you go to Fiverr to actually have somebody do it, or you go to Upwork, right? There's places out there that you already know the information. You provide the information for somebody to create, and they're gonna go ahead and drop the PDF, something nice, and then you'll be able to then give it to that person in exchange for their name and email and phone number, right? The reason why you want to collect name, email, phone number is because over a specific time, right? If you have, let's say you want to make $100,000, right? If you collect, let's say 8,000 emails every single month, my mentor told me that for every email that's on your for every person that's on your list, they're worth $1. So if I have 8,000 people, let's say 8,300, right? That's 333, right? And every person on my list is worth $1. Now, whether I use it or not, you're gonna be able to, because guess what? Since you're providing value to that person, since you're giving that person so much information, most likely they're gonna wanna purchase whatever you have, right? Whether that's a t-shirt, whether that's a digital product, whether that's training, whatever it is, they're gonna wanna continue to purchase from you because guess what? You answer their problem, they love you forever. So now they wanna, they feel like they owe you something. So they're gonna purchase something from you. So your next step, you got, like I told you before, right? We use Kartra and ClickFunnels, Go High Level. There are different platforms out there, depending on where you are. A way for you to actually create a landing page. You can look it up on YouTube. Create a landing page in order to actually collect somebody's email in order to exchange and give them that free gift, right? Now, once you give them that free gift and you continue providing value, continue giving game, you want to then create a product, right? A digital product, whether that's an ebook, a training, teaching them how to do specific things, whatever that looks like. You want to be able to head and go give it to them, right? Sell it. So you're going to be providing so much value, you're going to be giving so much gain. Now it's time to sell a product, right? Sell something that can give somebody a result. Like, let's say in fitness, like we're going fitness, right? I'm going to talk about in the fitness. So let's say in the next 30 days or the next 10 days, I'm going to teach you how to lose 5 to 10 pounds, right? And you can still eat your favorite foods. Yes. So if you then create that product and show and give them that result, now they're gonna like, dang, I want more, right? So you create that product, you create that digital product, and then there's a place called Gumroad, and you can go to Fiverr as well to actually create this digital product and use a place called Gumroad, right? To be able to, once they pay for it, they'll be able to get it automatically sent to their email. So it's called Gumroad. I'm having a link in the description for you so you can go ahead. But once you create that digital product, people are going to be able to buy, right? Now, I forgot to say one more thing. When you're making these videos, right, you always want to have a call to action to get your free thing, right? So you want to have your free thing made as well. So every time you make a video, you be like, yo, grab my free ebook where I teach you the 5 foods to stay away from. They got that free value, right? And now you have their email and their name so you can be able to follow up them later. I know I'm going a little bit fast, but pause it, rewind it, go back to it, but this is what you need to do. Now, once you have your product and you start making money, you also want to create a training because yes, you made an ebook. First, you made an ebook, right? make an ebook first, right? Whatever that looks like. Next, you want to create a training teaching that ebook. So that ebook can be anywhere from, let's say, $1 to $30, $50, right? Next, you want to create a training teaching that ebook. Now you'll be able to make more money. We call this a funnel, right? So first they get an ebook. Next, they're gonna be like, man, do you want to get this training to go with the ebook? Yes or no, right? They might say no, and you can be able to downsell them. All right, I know that you probably can't afford it right now, or you wasn't looking. How about you get this half off? This is not hurting your pocket, because guess what? You created this product once, and it's gonna make you money every single day, right? That's why it's called passive income hack, right? So once you create this product, and once you create this training, people are gonna buy you. Send it out to your email list, right? Like I told you before, the more emails you have, the more able to make more money, right? And when you're making Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, TikToks, and all these different, using these different platforms, picking a different platform or blog, now you're getting leads and getting views based off of the questions or the things that you're providing value for. So this is how you're gonna be able to make consistent money every single day. And then the only thing you have to do is just be consistent, right? Just be consistent. I know it's gonna be hard, but once you get going, making, let's say, 1 video a week, then eventually get to 2 video weeks, and then eventually get to 3 videos a week, and then eventually get to 4, then to 5, then to 6, then to 7, right? You're gonna be making so much content, you're gonna be making so much money, you're gonna be coming in like every single day. Now, I hope you got enough value. I hope you understand what I was talking about. I know I went kind of through this really quick. Now, the only thing that's gonna stop you from making this money is you. Let me say that again. The only thing that's gonna stop you from making this money is you. So be consistent. Now, if you want me to create more content around this and go a little bit more in detail and go more in depth about this, let me know in the comments, right? I just want to be able to provide value, give you game, and teach y'all how to make money. Yo, I'm telling y'all, y'all can make a whole bunch of money when it comes to this. So just be consistent. Let me know in the comments, hit the like, and I'll see you in the next class.